How to delete Botim call history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Botim app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on calls at the bottom. After you click on the calls at the bottom, you'll find all the history of calls in here. Simply hold on to the calls you want to delete. After you hold on to the calls you want to delete, it will be selected. Then at the bottom, you'll find delete option in here. Simply press on delete and everything will be deleted. In my case, I don't have any call history, so I won't be able to show, but these are the options. You'll find it in here. And this is how to delete Botim call history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.